northeastern Bandera County, southeastern Kirk County, Kendall County, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Center Point, Oregon, 8 miles west of Comfort, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
Oh yeah, that's on channel 4.
Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Roof, siding, and trees.
Locations impacted include Kerrville, Bernie, Comfort, Walnut Grove, Camp Verde, Bankersmith, Sisterdale, Croixburg, Cypress Creek, Welfare, Nelson City, Kerrville State Park, Center Point, Waring, Bergheim, and Crown.
Nope.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.